The International Pipeline and Offshore Contractors Association, or IPLOCA, was formed in 1966 to provide a forum for the major international pipeline contractors, enabling them to discuss common problems, evaluate new equipment, and monitor the direction in which the industry was moving. In 1987, the growing importance of the offshore oil and gas industry was recognized by inviting offshore contractors to join the association. With some 240 members worldwide, now IPLOCA embraces every discipline associated with this dynamic industry, both on and offshore. The regular IPLOCA members are companies directly involved in pipeline and offshore construction. Some of them have been around since the beginning of oil and gas transportation, and they have contributed significantly to the industry, with innovations that have revolutionized construction methods. Onshore contractors offer a wide range of services associated with pipeline construction, including directional drilling, double jointing, yard coating, the installation of pumping and compressor stations, tank farms, flow and gathering stations, including the building of much of the oil field infrastructure. Many of the projects are carried out by IPLOCA's members on a turnkey basis, requiring the supply of a range of services which include engineering, construction, commissioning, training, and initial operation. When required, many of IPLOCA's members are able to arrange finance for construction through the provision of export and commercial credits. This has been particularly important for assisting in the improvement of the economies of third world countries. Offshore, in addition to pipeline installation, major contractors are involved in the construction of undersea pipelines, giant platforms, and subsea installations. They also provide expertise in diving services, surveying, inspection, testing, and the provision of tugs and support vessels. IPLOCA's main office is situated in Geneva, Switzerland, in a new building, with up-to-date meeting and audio-visual conference facilities. It is very close to the airport and within 5 minutes of modern hotels. The association's publications include the standard form of contract for international cross-country pipeline construction based upon FIDIC, the offshore contracting principles, safety guidelines, environmental guidelines, World Defect Acceptance Criteria Study. IPLOCA also lent its support and participated in the CRINE deliberations and provides studies for the European community and promotes seminars. It generally plays a positive industry role, searching for ways to construct facilities even more competitively, but without compromise to safety or the protection of the environment. In recent years, the aim has been to have a closer relationship with clients in order to develop a dialogue where common problems can be discussed in an open and transparent manner. Ongoing dialogue with companies such as BP, Shell, Total, Exxon, Ruhrgas, EPRG, and others has proved beneficial to all parties. This is being carried out under the auspices of the World Pipeline Forum, which is an assembly place for open discussion and the voicing of ideas from both experts and from the audience. It is an umbrella under which the pipeline owners and developers and IPLOCA members will coordinate their efforts to solve common problems and work towards common goals. The World Federation comprises the 9 worldwide pipeline contractors and industry associations. The oil and gas industry now recognizes that IPLOCA represents the views of the major players in international pipeline and offshore construction. At the same time, IPLOCA is well aware of its role in protecting the environment and over the years has come up with many innovative procedures to accomplish this. Safety is also of major concern, and IPLOCA publishes overall safety statistics on a yearly basis and presents safety awards at its annual convention. The associate members provide the industry with vital support services, equipment, materials, tools and supplies. These companies have also been at the leading edge of progress, with their research and development geared to an ever-changing industry. Always striving for better procedures and practices, their enthusiasm has been a driving force for innovative progress. The academic members are drawn from universities and research institutes, who through their individual research programs are related to the pipeline industry. This relationship is of real benefit to IPLOCA members and their clients, bridging the gap between today's research and tomorrow's needs. IPLOCA members are also excellent ambassadors for the industry, training personnel in the Third World in a variety of skills during project construction, helping to improve the standards and education of developing countries. In the course of their work, members span the globe, from the frozen Arctic through the suburban areas of Europe, across the mountainous rainforests of South America, the deserts of North Africa and the Middle East, the swamps of West Africa, and to the jungles of Asia, laying pipelines and building oil and gas facilities in some of the most inhospitable terrain known to man. Offshore, too, work often takes place in treacherous and demanding conditions when weather can be unpredictable and hazardous. Oil and gas are being found in ever deeper waters, and the extensive expertise of members is being more and more relied upon to provide new technology and solve new installation problems in this testing environment. Today, there are many highly skilled procedures both on and offshore, including directional drilling of river and other crossings, some of them several kilometers in length. The running of intelligent pigs to determine the integrity of pipelines. The use of remote-operated vehicles for the construction of underwater bundled pipelines and subsea installations. IPLOCA's members cover the entire field for pipeline transportation of oil, gas, slurries, and that most precious of commodities, water. Water is becoming increasingly important, and extra-large diameter pipelines are being constructed to carry it today. The IPLOCA website is regularly updated, and the association publishes a newsletter 4 to 5 times a year. The annual convention takes place every September at a different location throughout the world. It's an ideal opportunity for IPLOCA's members and their partners to meet, network, get industry updates, as well as enjoying an excellent social and cultural program. Looking ahead, IPLOCA will continue to be responsive to the demands of the industry, moving with the times, working with the players, and maintaining its position at the forefront of the industry as we move further into this new millennium.